Hello everyone, this is Jitendra Kumar, your mathematics teacher, and today we will start our video lectures. And in the first, we will discuss about the algebraic expression. Okay, so let's learn today what is algebraic expression. This is a very important chapter for class 7th, 8th, 9 and 10 also. Okay, so this is the basic of algebra that we will first discuss here. Okay, so let's come and learn. So algebraic expression, our topic is algebraic expression. So first of all, what is algebraic expression? So what do you mean by algebra? Algebra is basically a mathematical expression which consists of two components, and these components are one, variables, and second one is constants. Okay, variables and constants. So the expression, the mathematical expression that consists of these two things, that is variable and constants, are known as algebraic expression. So what are these two terms? We will learn it individually. So variables are the terms that are able to vary, you can say, like suppose if we have x plus 5. So if I will say x plus 5 is equal to 7, then for the x we have x is equal to 7 minus 5, that is equal to 2. So here the value of x is 2. And now suppose we just change it slightly, like if we write x plus 3 is equal to 5. Now in this case, what is the value of, or suppose you take x plus 3 is equal to 6. So in this case, what is the value of x? It is 6 minus 3, that is equal to 3. Okay, so can you identify the change? The value of x here is 3, and for the same x we have 2 here in the first expression. So x can take different values at different times. Here we have x is equal to 2, and in this we have x is equal to 3. Means x can take different values, like here in these two cases we have 2 and 3 respectively. So for the other cases also we can give any value to x. It may be a negative value, it may be positive value, it may be 0, it may be any integer. Along with integer it may be any real number also. Okay, so variables are those symbols or expression that can take different values at different times depending upon the case. And generally for the case of variable we take x, y, z, means the alphabets. Sometimes we take alpha, beta, gamma, theta. Okay, so these are variables. Means variables are those mathematical symbols that can take different values at different times. Okay, and the second component is constants. So by its name it is clear, constants that will remain constant, means remain fixed with time. Okay, like if we write 2 plus 3, the answer is always 5, because 2 and 3 has a fixed value. 2 has its own value and 3 is also has its own value, and 2 plus 3 is always 5. Okay, so the numbers 2, 3 and 5 here we can call it as constant. So any number, any real number that you know that is fixed and doesn't changes with the expression, doesn't changes with the time, is actually the constant. So algebraic expression are those mathematical expression that is consist of these two things, that is variable and constants. Okay, so hope you all understand what is algebraic expression, and now we will take some example. So suppose we have x plus 5. X plus 5 is equal to 2. So this is an algebraic expression, x plus 5 is equal to 2. Okay, or you can take. Okay, now we will discuss some important terms that is related to the algebraic expression. That is sometimes used while we deal with the algebraic expression, like when we add the algebraic expression, subtract, multiply or divide. We need to know these things about the algebraic expression so that it becomes easy for us to deal with them. Okay, so let's learn. So what are these terms? First is like and unlike terms. Okay, like and unlike term. So like terms are what terms? Suppose in an algebraic expression we have 5x plus 2 suppose, and in another term we have 3y plus 3. So can we add these two terms? If someone will ask that whether we can add this or not, so we cannot add it directly, like we cannot make it 5 plus 3 is equal to 8, because the variable here are x and y, that is two different variables, and so we cannot add it, we cannot subtract it directly. Okay, so if we will try to just add it 5x plus 3, 5x plus 2 plus 3y plus 3, then we can write it as 5x plus 3y, and 2 plus 3 is 5. But 5x and 3y cannot be added directly. Okay, x plus 3y plus 5, this can be added like this only. We cannot add 5 and 3 here, because x and y are two different variables, and different variables are actually the unlike terms, and unlike terms cannot be added in the algebraic expression. So we to add or subtract, we need the like expression. So x can be added with x only, x square can be added with the x square only, y can be added or subtracted with the y only. Okay, so like terms are that terms which have the same variable with same degree. Okay, and unlike terms are different variables, like x and y are here the different two terms with two different variables, so we cannot add this. If it is like 5x plus 2x, then we can add it like 5 plus 2 is 7 and x. Okay, so x and x are two like terms, so we can add it, we can also subtract it, like 5x minus 3x. So 5x minus 3x is equal to how much? It is 2x. Okay, so like this we can add or subtract only the like terms. We cannot add or subtract the unlike terms. We can, if we will try to add or subtract it, it can be written only like this: 5x plus 3y plus 5. If we add 5x with the 3y, it can be written like this only. It cannot be added like 5 plus 3 is 8xy. Okay, so just make it clear to you. And now the next thing that is very important in algebraic expression is the degree. Okay, so degree is very important to understand and to deal with the algebraic expression. So what is degree? Degree is actually the power. Power of what? Power of the variable. Actually the highest power of the variable. Okay, so in an algebraic expression, suppose it is written like x square plus 2x plus 3, then if you will see this algebraic expression here, x is present 2 times, but this x has a power of 2, this has a power of 1. So if we will ask for the degree of expression, algebraic expression, then it is the highest power of the variable present over there. And if sometimes suppose you have two variables altogether, like if it is written as xy square plus x square plus 3 like this, then in that case here x and y both are present. But if we will add the power of these two variables, like x has a power 1, y has a power 2, then we will have the total power as 3 in this expression. And this 3 is actually greater than this 2. That's why if we will ask the degree of this expression, we call it as 3. And if we find the degree of this expression, x square plus 2x plus 3, then the degree is 2. Okay, so degree is very important, because on the basis of the degree also we can classify the algebraic expression that we will see in the next video. Okay, so this is degree. Degree is what? The highest power of the variable. So we will take some example, like if you have x cube plus 2xy plus 3z like this, and what is the degree of this polynomial, or what is the degree of this expression, algebraic expression? So the degree is 3, because here x has a power 3, here x, y both are present, but it has a value of power 1 and 1. So 1 plus 1 is only 2. So this has the highest power, and so the highest power, that is 3, will be the degree of this expression. Okay, now I think degree is clear to you. So hope now algebraic expression is clear to you. So here today we will discuss about the algebraic expression. Okay, and algebraic expression are what expression? The mathematical expression that is consist of constants and variable both, that is termed as algebraic expression. And in the algebraic expression we have discussed about the like and unlike terms. So like and unlike terms are what? The terms that has same kind of variable in them are called like terms, and unlike terms are consisted of different variables, like x and y are unlike to each other, x and x is equal to each other, that is like to each other. Okay, and along with that we have discussed about the degree of expression also, and degree is what? The highest power of the variable present in an algebraic expression. So hope this algebraic expression, the basic of algebraic expression is clear to you, and in the next video we will discuss about the polynomials. That is very important chapter for class 7th, 8th and 9th also. Okay, so thank you for this time.